Hello, this video is for our campaign automation in Keap. We are a web design company. This is our website. We are a web design company, and we offer different services for from starting from web design, web development to SEO services and pay-per-click services. Today we are going to link our account in bark.com, and bark.com is a famous website for searching for leads. So we are going to search for leads that we need for our company, and this website offers a good leads. By the way, so here if you go to bark.com, you will find the if you are a cleaning company, you can find you can receive leads from people who are looking for a house cleaning or web design or personal trainers, accounting, and other services. So in our account, we are specialized in web design, and we have some leads here. So the main idea here is when we have a new lead here and we click here on contact the new lead, automatically the information will go to our Keap account. So what we have here, the first thing, we connected our Keap account with Zapier. It is a famous website for connecting software. So the first thing, we look for the for the lead here in in Bark, and we assign here a tag Bark lead, and we send some information to the Keap by here phone number, location, country, and also category. So if we go here to the next, we have here a Keap account. Here in the Keap account, we have some specific fields in which we receive all this information from Bark. So the next step here, when we go to our account in Keap, in contact, we created some custom fields here to receive this information in addition to the phone number and first and last name. So here we have like bar category. We have the categories of services that we offer, like web design, social media marketing, SEO, web development, etc. And also we have here Bark country, in which we will receive the country, Canada or US. And here also we have some text here to receive from Bark information. After that, we go to our automation here. In our automation, we created two automated campaigns. The first one I will explain it here, and the second we will explain it in the next video. So this one, let's talk about Bark, the first one here. This one will be about Canadian customers, because here we are based in Canada and we have Canadian customers and US customers. So the first thing here, what we will do after we receive the lead from Bark to our Keap software CRM. So here we will see the tag. We will verify the tag if it is Bark, if it is coming a Bark lead. Automatically, we will verify here by daemon, decision daemon, if if it is a Canadian lead or US lead. If it is a Canadian lead, we'll search here by custom field, which is Canada, or a custom field, which is United States. If it is a Canadian lead, so we'll go through the other, we'll go through the other steps that we have here in Canada. Here, for example, if we come back here to our slide, to our automation, here, as you see, we have a Canadian leads. We will go through 4 categories that we are working for in our company. We have web design, e-commerce, and web development, and we have some decision daemons here. So if the category is this one here, we'll take all the information from the custom field that we received from Bark. So here we will verify here in the daemon, this decision daemon, we will verify if it is contains e-commerce with development. We go through this sequence. If it is social media marketing, we go through this one. If it is marketing, we go to this one, etc. So after that, we have another diamond decision. Let me explain it more in an opened application here. It's better. So after we go through this one, we go after we get the information of the category, or we go through another daemon decision here by verifying if this customer is coming from Quebec state here in Canada or from other states in United States, because in Canada we have French language in Quebec and we have English in other states in Canada. So we will verify here if this is Quebec, and also the tag is a web design tag, because web design tag will include web design and also e-commerce, and also I think web development. And this one, if this one doesn't include this tag and the customer is from Quebec, we will do the following. So we will go through this one. If it is from Quebec, we will send an email in French. As you see here, email in French language. Then after that we'll send the email in English, like if you have here, if we come back to this one, after 1 minute we'll send the email in English and we will verify. So I don't know why the application signed out. So I click back here, sorry for that. So if we go here, we have, if this is Quebec, we'll send two emails in French and English, and we will verify if the link is clicked here for the French one, the links of the booking meeting, or the English one, the book phone call or video meeting online. If this happened, what we'll do, we'll wait another 2 hours and we will do two things. We will verify if the appointment is booked here, 30-minute coaching call or a video call from here. If so, we'll move this to another sequence, which is appointment booked, and we stop here. If not, we have another daemon decision daemon here. We will verify by it here. We'll verify if the tag there is no action. That means that the contact doesn't contain appointment booked. If the content if the contact has appointment booked, so what will happen here? We have two things. We will tick him here if it is appointment box. If not, we will tick him here to do another action. But how we apply this appointment box? If you see here, when we go here through after the 2 hours, if there is a booking appointment here or in this step, directly we will go to appointment box and we will apply a tag which is appointment box here. And through this, if we come back here in this decision daemon, it will search if it is a box already. If it is applied the tag, it automatically will go here. If not, we will send another sequence here. We will wait another 1 day and we will send another French email here. The same thing here, if we talk about here, Canadian states, we will do the same thing in English here. It's similar to what we did here in French. And also for other services or categories, it is almost the same sequences that we have here. And just we change here the emails, the email content, because this one is social media marketing, so the email should be about social media marketing. This one is an ECU, the email should be about ECU, ECU services, and we do the same thing till we arrive here. But here, if you notice at the beginning, we have this decision daemon, we have Canada and we have US. So if this is coming from US, the lead, what we'll do is we will link it with another campaign automation that we built already, and we name it US leads. So we'll go through that campaign. If we come back here, that will be our second campaign, and we will explain it in the next video, this one here.